Hey guys, I am so excited about today's video because in this video we are going to talk about how can you claim a Go mining airdrop. That's a huge drop amounts 0.2 million GNT tokens plus 500 NFTs to get claim from your webs wallet or any other things that can be sold. Let's go into the video and talk about how can you claim that token or that NFT. So what is the Go mining? Go mining Revolution Bitcoin mining agency that can be offered the mining and in NFT game play experience. So without wasting time, we have to move on the deep down into the what's the main point of the airdrop. So price pool of the 0.2 million and 86 Go mining NFTs. Here's the information about the page. I will also give that page link page of the description on the video. And the winners of top 300 plus 150 random. That's mean the total number of winners is 450 people. That's a huge amount. If you want to get into these 450 peoples want to be winner, you have to be participate in the Go mining airdrop. So deadline is the 30 September 2023. That long time, so we have to participate now. So first come first serve is also a point for the airdrop. So go on the how can we join the Go mining airdrop. So here's some basic information about the airdrop champion program. 0.3 million in GNT tokens and 86 NFT. 31st July to 30 September is the price and is the last date 30 September 2023 for the Go mining airdrops. So how can we step by step guide the Go mining champion programs? Head over the Go mining Jilly postcards. Here's the link for the Go mining websites. I will also give the page of the this link websites on my description on the video. After then accomplish squads and earn exit points to qualifying for the GNT token and NFT rewards. You have to play the game for the NFT and GMT tokens to get in the airdrops. First top 300 performance with handsome reward. First we have to, if you want to 1 XP, that's mean you are the number top one, then you have to 20,000 GNT tokens plus 3 NFT, and if you are in second, then you will get 13,000 GNT tokens plus 2 NFT. Top 3 XP is 8,000 8,500 GNT tokens plus 1 NFT and so on. Here's the top 300. After then the 300 winners, we will also choose the random 150 winners. So as the top 150 winners also receive the 50 NFT and 100 GNT tokens after the 300 winners. So there is a huge potential about the airdrops via decentralized application, and it's critical to be responsible for security or your digits. That's mean that you have to, this is a disclaimer. As a disclaimer, you can use that this is content not intended for financial advice. Investors should take a time to research any given advice or any investing their funds. So don't be huge as a airdrop is a financial, or this is video is a financial advice. You have to be informed from yourself, take advice from a registered financial advisor, then invest. This is an airdrop. There is you have to be, don't have to any invest any money. So this is a free airdrop, but you have to play the game of Go mining, and then you have to accomplish the quest. And after as much as you accomplish the quest, your XP will increase. That's mean you will get the airdrop tokens and NFT rewards. So here's the estimated value of the NFT is 30,000 plus dollars. That means a huge amount of money they are giving in the airdrops. Here's the additional detail of ICO information. Max supply of the GNT token is written here, and the blockchain Ethereum and BNB, both blockchain supported by Go mining airdrops and their GMT tokens. Here's the market where available the GMT token is market Gate.io, Uniswap or PancakeSwap exchange. So you may be also choose for the airdrop. So go for it and claim that token. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for the next crypto airdrop updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.